What led to the development of the first nuclear weapons during World War II? The Manhattan Project, a research and development program, was undertaken to produce these weapons. The project employed nearly 130,000 people at its peak and cost nearly $2 billion. But what sparked this massive undertaking? The discovery of nuclear fission by Otto Hahn and Fritz Strassmann in 1938 made an atomic bomb using uranium theoretically possible. This breakthrough led to a chain of events that would change the course of history. But how did this discovery influence the development of the Manhattan Project? The Einstein-Szilard letter warned of the potential development of extremely powerful bombs of a new type. This warning was a call to action for the scientific community and the government. As the project progressed, J. Robert Oppenheimer became the director of the Los Alamos Laboratory, a crucial component of the Manhattan Project. But what were the challenges faced by Oppenheimer and his team? The project absorbed its earlier British counterpart, Tube Alloys. This merger brought together the best minds from both countries to work towards a common goal. Over 80% of the project cost was for building and operating the fissile material production plants. But how did the team manage to produce the necessary materials? Enriched uranium was produced at the Clinton Engineer Works in Tennessee, while plutonium was produced in the world's first industrial-scale nuclear reactors at the Hanford Engineer Works in Washington. These production facilities were crucial to the success of the project. But what were the challenges faced by the team in producing these materials? The first nuclear device ever detonated was an implosion-type bomb during the Trinity test, conducted at White Sands Proving Ground in New Mexico on July 16, 1945. This test marked a major milestone in the project. But what were the implications of this test? The project was responsible for developing the specific means of delivering the weapons onto military targets, and for the use of the Little Boy and Fat Man bombs in the atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August 1945. But what were the consequences of these bombings? The U.S. Navy awarded Columbia University $6,000 in February 1940, most of which Fermi and Szilard spent on graphite. This initial investment marked the beginning of a long and challenging journey. But how did the team progress from this point? A team of Columbia professors created the first nuclear fission reaction in the Americas, verifying the work of Hahn and Strassmann. This achievement was a significant step forward for the project. But what were the implications of this discovery? The National Defense Research Committee was formed on June 27, 1940 to coordinate scientific research. This committee played a crucial role in the development of the Manhattan Project. But how did the committee contribute to the project's success? Roosevelt signed Executive Order 8807, which created the Office of Scientific Research and Development, on June 28, 1941. This executive order marked a significant shift in the project's development. But what were the consequences of this order? The project was directed by Major General Leslie Groves of the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers from 1942 to 1946. Groves played a crucial role in the project's success. But what were the challenges faced by Groves and his team?